Hello student, today we are going to cover the topic blood. What is blood? Blood is a connective tissue which is fluid in nature. The total volume of blood in the body is about 6 liters. Blood is slightly alkaline with a pH of about 7.4. What is the function of blood? It transports oxygen and nutrients to various tissues. Second, it transports waste product to organs of excretion. Third, it carries hormone from endocrine gland to various tissues. Fourth, it redistributes water from one part of body to other. Fifth, it contains antibodies and white blood cells which protect the body from disease. Sixth, clotting of blood protects against hemorrhage. Next, what is the element of blood? Element of blood is RBCs, WBCs and platelets. RBCs are red blood cells, also called erythrocytes. Second, WBCs are white blood cells. Third is platelets. Platelets is also called thrombocytes. Next is composition of blood. Blood contains a fluid called plasma, in which cellular elements of blood are suspended. What is cellular elements? Cellular elements are RBCs, WBCs, platelets. Plasma contains water to the extent of 91%. Second, it contains proteins like albumin, globulin, fibrinogen. Third, other substances like glucose, sodium chloride, iron, urea, cholesterol and uric acid. In plasma protein occur in blood to the extent of 7 to 8%. Plasma proteins are albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. Albumin, it is present in very high concentration. It is responsible for osmotic pressure of the blood. It's synthesized in the liver. Globulin, it is of three types, alpha, beta and gamma. It is produced in lymphoid tissue. It produces antibodies and immune system. Fibrinogen, it is responsible for coagulation of blood. It is synthesized in liver. What is the function of plasma protein? They transport hormones, iron and other substances. They exert osmotic pressure and regulate blood volume. They provide viscosity to the blood. Fibrinogen of plasma is necessary for the blood clotting. Globulin of plasma is important for the synthesis of immune substances called antibodies. In next class, we can cover further topic. Thank you.